Ham fans, this is your boy Jonathan coming back. Y'all probably wondering why I got a screwdriver right now, or a flathead. Anyways, because it's to open up these new parts I just got. So, looks like I might be able to make the LS Fest. Y'all excuse that, that's an RTC drop-off bus, whatever you call it, but they're dropping somebody off right now. But anyways, I might be able to make the LS Fest. Everything is coming together soon. Everything is coming together good. I got people that's gonna come over and help me with the motor, putting everything inside. The last thing I gotta find is someone to wire the motor up, which I did not know it was that expensive just to wire up, but it is apparently. But I'm gonna keep looking around and see who worked the best. But anyways, let's go ahead and get to it real quick. Move this out the way. I wasn't even expecting to get this so fast. First of all, you got the what's that right there? High performance gears. 373 gears right here. We're gonna open them up. And then I was wondering why this box was so heavy. I'm so slow though, y'all. Y'all gotta bear with me. Fasteners. But let's see something. Pop's gonna be mad. I gotta start. How y'all been doing though, y'all? I told y'all, let me know if y'all think I'm missing anything. I ordered the Trailblazer SS intake too. I couldn't resist it. It's the best factory intake. It may be ugly, but as long as it works good. If I have to, I'll drive a no hood to the LS Fest. Justin, excuse me, y'all. Oh, they want me to follow them on Facebook. Let me see. FTI. They gave me a whole. They gave me stickers too. They gave me stickers. I got stickers. All right, y'all. Get your boy on camera. You feel me? All right. So right now, it's not cheating. It's the competitive edge. How are we gonna get this out of here? Roll like a cake. Cake be fresh out the pan. This is funny.
I'm sorry, I got a cough. Everybody know I'm sick at the end of the day.
But my YouTube people don't know you sick. Excuse her,
I was
y'all.
trying to hold that in this whole time.
Y'all excuse that. Oh, sorry, Pops. Dang. Whew. Stall converter. 3800 stall.
That's like a mini grill.
3800 stall. So this is it. It came from FTI. I did not know these things was that heavy. But another thing I want to do for you guys, at the end of this budget bill, I will be adding everything up. This is to show the total of what I spent. But that's the stall right there. 3800 stall for a 350 transmission. Told y'all. It's a budget bill. Hold on. It's kind of windy in Vegas.
Your phone tripping. Your volume just went up on its own.
Hey, Toronto. You knew better, you do better, baby. I've seen this. This what gear is it? I'm guessing. Hold on, y'all. Look like he may have sent the wrong thing unless I'm tripping. But I thought it was more than that. It's my first time actually seeing gears. Richmond gear before my record being set. So that's for 373 gears though, so I don't know. We gonna see them wait till Pops get here, but look like this may be the wrong thing. If not, y'all correct me. Dumb moment, please excuse me. I know it's a very unintelligent moment, but I'm learning. And that's what YouTube is for, to help me learn. So I'm here with it. Pops told me to wait. I ain't even want to listen. And we gonna find out later when he get here, after I get cussed out probably, but yeah, y'all see it. I'm sure this is not all Richmond Gear High Performance ring and pinion set. This all it comes with? This just the whole?
Well, this say ring and pinion set. It doesn't say it's a gear.
It's right here though.
No, that says Richmond Gear.
Yeah,
Richmond Gear.
It's supposed to be Gears. I don't know.
That's the name of the website. Look, Richmond Gear.
No, I got this from Jegs though. We gonna find out though.
Yeah,
this was supposed to be in the video, but we gonna find out. I know I probably sound slow right now. We both sound slow, but hey, we learn. That's all you can do is learn. I can send it back. I got a 30-day return policy. I just got it yesterday. I just ordered it yesterday, but we gonna find out. But I don't know too much about this. But yeah, that's the video. Y'all stay tuned for everything else. Everything else that I ordered, I know for sure it's the right thing. For sure, for sure. Did my own research on that. The guy I ordered this from, I told him what I wanted specifically. Specifically, how you say it. I told him exactly what I wanted, but he didn't sound too sure himself. But, Jesus. It was an unboxing video. I ain't know. This is my first time seeing it too, so. Y'all stay tuned with your boy. Everything else is coming. Everything else that's coming. I'll update the video. I got like 7, 8 more items coming. But other than that, stay tuned. Rock with your boy. May should be the, I'm aiming for next month so I can knock out the tweaks of the motor and everything, the tuning to make sure we running right. But y'all stay tuned, man. This just disappointed me. But we trying. All right, you guys, so I had a brain fart. Well, not really a brain fart because I really didn't know what it was. But talked to a buddy of mine on Facebook who's into motors and stuff like that and knows car stuff. That's actually the correct parts. I didn't know that though. I know how to drive a car. I don't know how to really work on them. I know how to change the oil and do the basic stuff like that. But when it comes to the in-depth, I don't know nothing about it. I'm learning. Cut me some slack. So I know if y'all watch the whole video, y'all will see me and my girlfriend over there basically about to argue about what part it is. She learning it in science and this and this and this and that. But man, I learn something new every day. So yeah, that's the correct gears and everything. Y'all stay tuned with your boy. I'm trying.